Hey guys, it's Savannah with Ecofine Properties, and today I'm here to tell you about the truth about insurance claims after a Florida storm. Obviously, Florida weather has a ton of pros when it comes to the cooler season. We don't have your normal winter. We have beautiful tropical weather. But the flip side is in the summer season, we also have hurricane season. And if you've watched news and media over the last couple of years, hurricanes tend to make the headlines right around this time of year, whether it be the east coast of Florida, west coast of Florida, Panhandle, North Carolina, what have you. This is when you start to hear the stirrings about hurricane season. But what people don't necessarily get to share their story about is the insurance claim process after a storm hits. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through what to expect during the insurance claim process and how to get ahead of it and prepare in advance so you can avoid some of these headaches. Number one, document everything. It's no secret that the insurance claim process is a lengthy process and a difficult one at that. But if you have clear photos of before the exterior of your home, roof, windows, appliances, anything major that's covered under insurance, and then do the same after the storm, that documentation of what was clearly damaged during the storm will help speed up the lengthy and not fun process of submitting an insurance claim. Another tip to keep in mind, for a lot of people are replacing roofs right now and putting impact windows in to help save on insurance. Make sure that you save those receipts just in case you have any disputes around value when it comes to submitting an insurance claim. Number two, best advice, understanding that insurance is really for major damage, right? If you're planning on filing a claim for minor roof leaks, a few missing shingles, or even aging equipment, this could be a fast track to getting the claim denied. Even worse, unnecessary claims can make it harder to renew your insurance next year, and it could also lead to policy increases for your premiums. So understand that if you can pay for it out of pocket and it is minor damage, it may be better for you in the long run as far as keeping insurance and keeping the cost of insurance to a minimum. The third one, this was a big issue last year for Palm Beach, Martin, and St. Lucie counties with the tornadoes that came through off of the hurricane from the West Coast. What a lot of people don't realize is how a storm is classified impacts your coverage. Take last year's tornadoes, for example. Many were classified as hurricane damage by insurers. That meant higher deductibles and more limited coverage. Always confirm how your event was categorized by the National Weather Service. It could determine how much you are reimbursed and whether your claim is even valid. And finally, a few more tips to keep in your back pocket when it comes to hurricane season and filing claims for insurance. Know your deductible amounts before the storm hits. Hurricane deductibles are typically a percentage of a home's value, not a flat rate. A 5% deductible of a $500,000 home is around $25,000. Check your policy for water damage exclusions. Many policies don't cover flooding unless you have separate flood insurance. And just because you're not in an area that requires flood insurance doesn't mean that you couldn't have flood damage as a potential risk. So you might look into additional flood insurance policies to protect your belongings. Hire a licensed contractor to inspect the damage before filing. They can help you determine if it's worth filing and give a realistic repair estimate. If you do file, be organized, include photo evidence, repair estimates, weather documentation, and a written statement of the event, and keep records of every conversation with your insurance adjuster. At the end of the day, like most things that surround hurricanes, preparation is everything. Document everything that you can, know your coverage, and file smart. If you found this video helpful, feel free to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more real estate tips.